this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking about how to use tabs in Easel. Tabs are basically parts of a cutout carve that stay uncarved to hold an object that's being cut completely out in place and kind of save that part from jostling around or moving around as you're doing a cutout. And it's a pretty simple process, but we're just going to talk through it really quick. So I have an object here that's a circle. It's not set to a full depth cutout quite yet, but if I take this and drag it all the way down, you'll see an option appear that says use tabs. Just to clarify, this only works for the three cut on path cut paths. If it's a clear out of pocket, it's just going to carve out a big hole. We'll stay on cut on shape path for this, but basically set your depth to the full depth of your material. And then you'll see an option in it. It should automatically just enable tabs. You can disable them by clicking on this check mark if you don't want to use tabs. When you click on it, you'll get an option to choose the length of the tabs. Here they're 1/4 of an inch, and then the height of the tabs, which is currently 0.080 of an inch. And we can change that. Well, first we'll visualize it with the toolpath. So I will simulate this, and then if we look, we can see the tabs here, and that's kind of what they're going to look like. If I decide I want to change my tabs to, we'll say 0.1, we can simulate that again, move the material, and you can see that those tabs have gotten larger. We can also adjust how many tabs we have. And that quantity will be kind of shown again when we simulate it. We'll see there's an extra tab, but we'll also see an extra yellow mark here on our object. And these yellow marks indicate where the tabs are on our object. And at any time we can click on one of these tabs and drag it while holding the click to move the tab around. So if we have specific spots that we want tabbed, say a more delicate part, we can add some tabs and then move them over to that position. And that allows us to adjust tabs. That's how you use tabs in Easel. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.